Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put it on real quick and then I'll tell you more about it. I've got a few things to talk to y'all about, so I'm going to try to go quickly because I know there's a lot of Mask Mondays to watch. So this is a plain mask. I mean, it's not a character mask, even though it has that whale on the cover. But I got these masks, the eye masks, which I'll tell you about in a minute, and the sheet mask from Tea Time Adventures. Anybody that I mentioned that has a channel, I'll put in the description. Tea sent me some friend mail. It's been a week or two since maybe a little bit longer since I've shown that. Yeah, it's been a little longer since I've shown that. And I've been using a lot of the things that she sent me, wonderful skincare and other lovely things. And, oh, this feels good. Feels good because it is hot here. I just had finished doing some chores, took the trash out and stuff like that, so I'm warm. So you do not have to, when you wear eye masks, you can just wear them. You do not have to wear them under a sheet mask. You don't, in fact, you know, a sheet mask covers the eye area also. I just wanted to because these are some of my favorite eye masks and I wanted to use them, and they're from Tea. So trying to put this on really well, and I'll show you these quickly here, hopefully. So this has, yeah, this has some little separations to pull on, which is sort of nice. Maybe easier fit, but you know, when you talk, it doesn't fit as well as if you weren't talking. So on the eye masks, they come between these two plastics here. These are the Allure Beauty Baggage Claim Gold eye masks, and that comes in different packaging. There's a burgundy red, there's this, I think there's a silver package also. They have like a silver or a gold special. Anyway, they're just wonderful and I really like them. They just fit nicely and they stay on and they moisturize under my eyes very well. And thank you so much, Tea, for sending them to me. And then this other mask that Tea sent me, this is from Zeal C, is the brand, Zeal C. And look at how cute that is. It's possible Tea got this from Temu. I don't know if she said, but this is a pomegranate firming mask, it says. Vitality anytime. So this says to leave on for 15 minutes. And, you know, you start with a clean face always, apply the mask and leave on 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and pat the remaining essence into the skin. Those are my favorite kind. I'm not really big into the wash-off masks. The mask, if it's this kind of a mask, I want it to be that I leave it on. Some of them are, though, that you have to read carefully because they want you to wash your face after. So I have a little friend mail that I'm going to show you, but I also want to tell you I have two winners. So I had two giveaways end. The first giveaway that ended was my Temu Summer Vibes. That was with 7 other channels. Reviews with Sue, favorites with Laura, Jessie Miller unboxings and more. Miss Jackie Russell, known as here, and Tea Time Adventures also was in that as well with me. And I hosted that collab. We had a lot of fun. Y'all seem to have a lot of fun with it. And the winner of that collab is Lori Daniel. So I'm announcing today, I think Miss Jackie Russell is announcing today. And then so you know, give some time for everybody to announce, because some people may have already announced. There may have, there's something on my camera, sorry. Someone might have announced over the weekend. And then it might be another day or 2 or 3 or 5, you know, next weekend even, before everybody announces. So give them time, and they will. And yeah, because I'm talking, this is not staying on real well down here. And then my other giveaway was a hidden treasure, what I call a hidden treasure. I did an unusual video where I sold some products. And in that video, I said at the beginning to please watch the whole video, even if you were not interested in buying anything, because as a subscriber of mine, I wanted to know your opinion about the whole idea of selling and what you thought of the boxes that I made, and to watch till the end so that you can give me your opinion. And many of you did. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that, because I wanted feedback, and y'all, I got a lot of wonderful feedback, and I appreciate that very, very much. So in that video, I had said, if you watched until the end, to please let me know by putting in a bag, an emoji of a bag, whether it was a purse. There's a couple of purse emojis. There's some shopping bag emojis. There's even a box. I said even a box would be fine. Here comes blue. And, you know, a lot of you did. And I picked a winner. Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. Come on, love. I'm trying to announce a winner. Oh, there goes a bottom. Yeah, we always have to see your bottom. All right. He likes to sit down on my towel that I have for my mask. Okay, sit, sit, sit. So the winner of that collab, the winner of that giveaway, that wasn't a collab, that was just me. The winner of that giveaway is Deb's Craft Table. And Deb has a channel. Lori Daniel does not have a channel. Deb has a channel. So go check her out. I'll have her in the description. And she does crafting, you know, and things like that. But she's also likes to watch some unboxings and stuff. So she comes around and sees us, you know. So thank you, Deb. And thank you, Lori. And thank you, all of you who entered. And, you know, I'm always doing giveaways, and a bunch of us are doing giveaways. So keep that in mind and look out for those, because they're fun. I think they're fun. So actually, as of right now, I'm in another collab that just started this weekend. So it goes for 2 weeks. And there are 10 channels. Now, the ad says there's 11, and but it did end up being 10. Tina Delgado wasn't able to make it. So she's got a great channel, y'all. She does Get Ready With Me's, and she does unboxing. So go check her out anyway. I'll put her in the description. And the other people in the collab, this was run by Faye Blatcher. She was the hostess of this collab. And then Tracy and Chloe, Unboxings, Beauty, and More, did our ad and our thumbnails. And Tracy's very talented that way. And we also have Miss Jackie Russell, Katie's Corner of the World, All Things Arlene, Lori Latimer's in there, Hillbilly Creativity, Glitzy Gem, and Makeup Therapy. I think I said everybody. I'm looking at my list. I just got a little waylay because of blue. Anyway, okay. So I think I said everybody. What I'll do is I'll put everybody in the description in case I miss anybody. Well, this just is not fitting me very well, but I still like it. Masks, you know, it's weird though, because it's already dry right there. See, like where it's not sticking to my face, it's sort of dry. That's sort of weird, isn't it? Anyway, you know, it's still working. It's still working. Okay, I have a little friend mail. And then I have a story about friend mail. So I got a beautiful card from one of my longtime subscribers, Tracy. And she doesn't comment much, but she'll comment emojis, or she just says good morning, things like that. You know, she's a little shy. But she sent this beautiful card to me, and she had cute stickers. So I want to share the stickers with you. And look at her pretty stamps, too. These butterflies are like hard plastic. And the stamps are cute. And, oh, they're Christmas stamps. I just noticed that. And then on the back, I won't show her address, but she's got another cute sticker there. Whoops. She sent me some stickers. And, okay. And a private note. But this is the card. It just says, thanks from me. Whoops. She's won a giveaway or two along the way, so she's thanking me. And she just sent me some beautiful stickers I wanted to show you. Let me get them out of here. She has really cute decorations in there. So look at how cute this black cat with the fish in his mouth. And this one says, all day long. And the cat is on 3 pillows. Yes, ma'am. And this is a princess kitty. Little princess kitty. How cute is that? And this is a beautiful cat, isn't it? And then this one says, inspire, and it's a light bulb. So thank you so much, Tracy, for thinking of me and sending me that beautiful card and your sentiments. And I really appreciate that. I just wanted to show that because it's so pretty, even though I want to keep what she said, you know, private. Just want y'all to see that. And now the other friend mail that I have is friend mail that I've already showed you. But this is from Tracy does not have a channel. Erlene S has a channel and sent me some friend mail a week or two ago. I opened it. So I'm going to swatch this beautiful palette that she sent me. But here's what happened on that. You know, I posted my Mask Monday, and Erlene is a very busy woman, like a lot of us are. And sometimes she doesn't see my Mask Monday for a few days. But thank goodness she saw my Mask Monday night. Because she sent me a message. Mary, did you get the earrings? She sent me a package of goodies. And the palette was in there and some other things. And I said, earrings? I didn't see any earrings in there. And I had already taken the trash out. The trash man comes early Tuesday morning. So this is all going through my head. I'm like, what'd I do that? Oh, it'd be in the trash. Because it was, the packaging that she used had was a lot of tape, and it was turned this way and that way and stuffed so that so to protect the palette and stuff like that. So it was taped in a lot of different ways, like folded and taped. So I threw the package out. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I've thrown that out already because it was out of my house. And then I remember, wait a second. I had already taken the trash bin to the end of the driveway, but the guy hadn't come yet. So I run out there. I run out there on Monday night. It might not have been dark yet, but I go through and I'm just like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm running there and I open the lid. I have a lot of trash because I had some boxes that I threw out. And I had done some spring cleaning over the holiday weekend. And there toward the top, it was in my garbage bag from, you know, my regular garbage kind of stuff. You know, the white bag with the tie string. I cut that, and inside right on the top was the bag. And in that bag was this bag that I didn't see. I thought this was extra padding. I mean, wouldn't you think that was extra padding? Inside this bag. And this actually, the palette may have been in here. There are some earrings. Oh my goodness, now. Maybe it was wrapped differently, but I did take them out because I was so happy that I found them. I sent a message immediately to Erling to let her know. I'm like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Well, you know, if she had said something on Tuesday, they would have been gone. So I was just so happy that I found them. So they're gorgeous. They are like mother of pearl, I think you call that. You know, like the shell. Is that what you call that from a shell? Oh my goodness sakes. Blue is right here. There are little hearts. They're like elongated hearts, and they have, you see that? Like the abalone or something like inside the shell. Anyway, they're gorgeous, and they're French hook, which I love. Those are the easiest for me. I have the least problems. I sometimes have problems with my ears, so those I don't have problems with. So I'm going to swatch, and if you'd like to see this palette, stick around. This is the BH, please calm down. The BH Cosmetics Chilling in Chicago. It just was so cute, and Erling knows I'm from Chicago. So he gets me all wackadoodly. So here it is, and then it has a nice magnet closure. I did show you in the friend mail. I just didn't swatch it at the time. So I do have some cloths here to clean my fingers, and the lovely blue is on my towel. Of course he is. Okay, let's do this. Whoops, I did that wrong, but whatever. Okay, so this one is called Bean, Windy City, Grizzly, because of the bears, you know, and the Sky Deck. Okay. All right. Oh, look at how wonderful the pigment is on these. Yay. Okay. It's hard to see some of the names because it's on gold, but I'll do my best here. Okay. This is Chicago Dog, hot dogs. This is Magnificent, like the Magnificent Mile, Wrigleyville, and Rush Street. Rush Street is a bustling 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 place where all the commerce is and all that kind of stuff, you know, offices, businesses, whatever. Okay. All right. And then we have, oh, these are beautiful. There's 16 colors, and there's 2, 4, 6, there's 7 shimmers. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 16 and 7 shimmers. Okay. This one is Lakeview and Jazzy and the L and Deep Dish, like deep dish pizza. Ooh, look at those shimmers. Beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, Chicago is also known for jazz music. And then the last 4 are beautiful. These are beautiful neutrals. And you know, I love neutrals. This is Millennium Park. 312 is the downtown area code. Used to be my area code when I was a kid. Riverwalk and Chi-Town. Oops. So that Chi-Town is very light, but look at those. These are beautiful. Beautiful. So these see, I think you can wear, you know, if you know what you're doing with eyeshadow, which I'm not saying I do by any means, but I can take any palette and make it work. You know, these I think are very summery and autumn kind of colors to me, but you can use these all year if you know how to place them. You know what I mean? Look at those shimmers, are beautiful. That, oh wow, that gold. I love golds and browns. Thank you so much, Erlene. And this did get a little bit longer than I expected, y'all, so I better let you go. But thanks for stopping by, everybody, and it's good to see you. And I hope you have a wonderful Mass Monday. And this is drying on me already, y'all. So thank you to T. Thank you to Erlene. Thank you to Tracy for the lovely card. And like I said, I'll put everybody's names in the description of all the people that have channels that I mentioned. And go check out our collab that's going on right now, okay? It's fun and it's different. It's different. It's favorite subscriptions, and I'm in it with some different channels. So look how pretty those are. Y'all take care. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.